I'm going to show you a dance called the Smurf. It's from the early 80s. It's just really a street and social dance, and it got incorporated into hip hop uh, in the late 80s. This is the Smurf. The Smurf, yo.
What's up, y'all? This is Link from Elite Force. What I'm about to show y'all is a dance from the mid-'80s, and this dance is called the Prep. That's the Prep.
What's up, y'all? So this next dance is called a Reebok, named after the Reebok shoe because it was popular at the time and everybody wore them and came up with a dance and named it